Alright, so we're going to test these guys here. Tell you what I think about them. They're sneak erasers. They come in a pack of 10. Got a little sponge here. The directions are to wet it in water. So I got some water here to the side. So there's the sponge. You're supposed to use the white side and then the orange side to get the residue off. I just pulled the shoe right off my foot. So you can see this thing is not very clean. Uh, let's see what happens. Oh, wow. It's like it's erasing the dirt right off of it. Just like it says. I hope this comes across on this camera because this is absolutely amazing. And I'll show you, these are old shoes. I hit it with this. I'm going to wipe it off. So that's how white that is. Let's remember what the other side looked like. These are old shoes, you see? These are just my knockaround shoes. And I thought, you know what? Let's just take the worst ones I've got that I beat up all the time. You know, if it got a little better right there. You just keep scrubbing. And I'm putting moderate pressure on here. But still, it's absolutely amazing how fast this is to make your old beater sneakers. This time I left a little more water on there. I'm going to get the tip of it off real quick. I can't get over how easy this is. Man, these are definitely a buy. I mean, my old shoes got some creases in them. They're not perfect, but man, they've added life back to these shoes. This is absolutely amazing. What a great product. I've tried the magic erases in the past, and they just tear up. The nice thing about this pad is it's wearing down some, but you can see it's not breaking apart, and that is a game changer. Because when I've tried in the past, they just crumble to pieces, and this thing is tough and works really well. So these are definitely a recommended buy. And to really show you a dramatic difference, there they are. I took the other shoe off. I'm wearing these shoes right now, by the way. Look at the amazing difference these shoes are. You know, like these are all knock around shoes. Don't miss that. That how clean they are here, and how just, man, it really does a number on the white.